Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. You know what you got to do. You got to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way and greatly appreciated. If you follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all of my socials, man, thank you. And if this is your first time, thank you for tuning in. As you can see, I got the box right here. Usually I just remove the box and you see the shoe, but I just kind of wanted you guys to see all the packaging. Maniere, man, all my Maniere. They knock it out the park, man. They do not miss, in my humble opinion. They've been pumping out collabs with Jordan Brand, and they've been hitting the mark. They've been around for a while. We actually just recently got a store here in Houston, a Maniere location, a couple years ago, right, maybe a year before COVID hit, a couple years before COVID, and they've been pumping out these releases, man. They've done a 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they have a 12 coming soon. And then they did an airship as well. I struck out on the airship. My favorite out of them all is the 3. And then the one I'm about to unbox now for you guys, the 4. Those are my 2 favorites out of their collection. And this shoe they made, it was a different process. Usually they'll do an in-store or online raffle. The shoe is in representation of brown and black leaders who are making an impact in their community, which led to the process of you being able to acquire a pair, and which I'll explain for you guys. So what they did is, outside of their website, their online drop, they did a raffle, but this raffle was different. You actually had to do a video where you would tag the store and your community leaders or politicians or local media outlet, and talk about things that you want to see changed in your community. So my video was based on mental illness, resources for mental illness, and especially since COVID is over, and even during COVID, people were struggling with being locked down and then throwing them back out into the world. Some people struggle with that, whether it's be anxiety, antisocial issues, or other mental illnesses that was triggered. And no one was given any really resources to get back out into the world after COVID. And here in the state of Texas, I'm sorry, I'm on a rant, but here in the state of Texas, they only focus on mental illness when it comes to gun laws. Fitting. But here we are. See the box. You see the Alma Maniere writing on the side. This is a beautiful box. The packaging is always beautiful. I like this. And let's just get straight to it. Oh, here, as you guys can see here on the inside, it says Maniere, Alma Maniere. Here on the inside, as you can see, I got the cap, the Alma Maniere cap. I really love what they're doing. What James Whitner is doing, the Whitaker Group, and here we are, the Jordan 4 Alma Maniere. They call it the Violet Ori. I think that's the name of the color. But yes, these are beauties. You guys can see that. Now, one thing about this shoe, when I say this is premium and the details are bananas on this shoe, outside of the suede, usually you could tell like it's that cheesy nubuck. This is suede. Like this, if it's a nubuck, it's a real nice nubuck, but I think this is suede. Near here on the inside, and this is what I really want to show you guys here on the inside of the shoe. It has the soles. The insole and everything, the entire inside of the shoe is quilted. So if you guys can see that, like everything in there is quilted on the inside of that shoe. It's just beautiful. Then it has a message that says it's not about the shoes on the tab, on the heel tab of this one. It says it's not about the shoes. And on this one, it says it's about where you're going. And I think that's Michael Jordan's signature on the back of that one. And it has like this little button right here. Of course, it comes with the nice keychain. Beautiful shoe, man. I think these retailed at $225 if I'm not mistaken, but these are beauties, man. I love 3s and 4s. They knocked it out the park with this shoe. And you guys can see here on the back, of course, you got that Nike Air on the back of these. Then on the tongue, you have the Jordan Flight logo here on the tongue on this shoe. And then on this one, you have the Maniere logo and the Flight. And that's one thing I like about Maniere when they do their collabs, the logos. They, I like how they have, on this one you have the Jordan tongue, and then on this one you have the Maniere logo. I like when they do that on their releases as well. Overall beautiful shoe, man. A must have in your collection. They're actually doing a drop tomorrow. Today is Tuesday. They're doing a drop tomorrow. Wednesday, they're doing another drop on Maniere website, 9 a.m. Eastern. And they're also doing a drop on the sneakers app for these tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern as well. So you get a chance on Maniere in the morning, you strike out, you go to sneakers and try again. And then they've had raffles at retailers. So if you check your local retailer or look around and surf the web, you'll see raffles, but you probably want to get those entries in today because they're probably cut off today sometime. But that's pretty much it, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said before, please hit that like and subscribe button, and comments, feedback, like button, all that is greatly appreciated. And until then, you guys be cool.